Before we take a look at the stock that made a new all-time high, we first want to show you two perfect inside bar structures from last week. GELS was the first one. This one ran hard Thursday, the 11th of June. It ran almost 300%. The next day, it consolidated really nicely with relatively low volume compared to the previous day. So with this perfect inside bar structure, we were ready Monday. We marked the high and the low of the inside bar. The high is our breakout level, so our level to enter, and the low is our stop loss, in case it doesn't work out the way we want it to. When it broke the breakout level, we got in. It gave us a 100% plus move really quick, really easy and quick, just why we like the inside bar structure so much. The second one was CRVO. This one ran 200% Tuesday with really big volume. So when it consolidated Wednesday with relatively low volume inside the first day bar, we knew what to do. We marked the high and low of the inside bar again. Thursday it broke out, so we entered. It came back under the breakout level, but never came close to our stop loss. So we just chilled and sat back to watch it unfold. It gave us a nice stress-free 25% move. Here it rejected at the exact same level it rejected from Tuesday. After this 25% move, it came back down a bit, but kept consolidating above the breakout level. At market open, it exploded and gave us a big 70% move to the area where it hit its high of the day. On Tuesday. Easy, right? RGNT was the one which made a new all-time high. It started getting volume on Monday and started to explode really quick. When we look at its daily chart, we don't have a lot to work with. Because its IPO date was the end of last year, we don't have many candles, so not many support or resistance levels. What we do have is its all-time high level. This is the level we mark, $8.35. After it did run for a couple of hours, it touched the all-time high level. Here it rejected. This confirmed the resistance strength of this level. So when it broke this level after a nice consolidation, we got in, putting our stop loss right below the level, so we only risk a few percent. It exploded again and gave us a really quick 70% move. Before we end the video, we want to show you ICCM. ICCM has a gap on the daily, but we didn't use this gap like we normally do for the breakout level, because when it started its move, it ignored this gap. It went straight through it on the move up and on the move down. So there was zero confirmation that this is a resistance area. Even when it started its second move, it went straight through it several times. The interesting part comes next. When it made this big move and started to go down, it found support and bounced exactly at the gap zone. To be sure this wasn't coincidence, we waited for a second time, which came a few hours later. After this confirmation, we knew for sure that this was a strong support zone. The next few times it came close to the area we entered. It gave us several nice moves. We knew we didn't need to aim for big moves. These small moves add up. It gave us 2 times a 15% move, once a 30% move, and at the end, a small 10% move before it broke the support zone. These moves combined were good for almost 100%. Do you see that you can also use gaps as support? You don't always have to use them for breakouts. I hope you learned something, and I hope this video helped you in any way further in your trading career. Keep your eyes open. The market is really volatile. Use all this knowledge and make some money. See you hopefully next time.